Welcome to the demo video for our Kinetik Wellbeing blood glucose monitoring system. Here we will show you how to set up the meter. This should be done before using the meter for the first time. You should also do this after changing the batteries. To set up the device, first insert the batteries. Do this by removing the cover and inserting the batteries the correct way round. Then replace the compartment cover. With the meter off, press and hold the S button. The device will turn on and the year will begin flashing. To select the year, press the M button until the correct year appears. Press S to confirm and continue. With the month flashing, press the M button until the correct month appears, and then press S to confirm and continue. Repeat this process until you've set the day, the hour, and the minute. After this, you will need to select the unit of measurement. Press the M button to switch from milligrams per deciliter to millimoles per liter. Press the M button until mmol/L appears on the screen, and then press S to confirm and continue. You can then delete all memories currently stored on the device, or keep them. If you want to store the memories, please press the S button to continue. If you want to delete the memories, please press the M button once. The device will then turn off. If this is a new device that hasn't been previously used, please press the S button at this stage to continue. You will then be able to set up 4 alarms. Press the M button to turn on or off the first alarm. Press S to continue. If you have selected on, press the M button to set the hour. Press the S button to confirm. Then press the M button to set the minute. Once the correct time is set, press S to confirm and go to the next alarm setting. If you wish to set up multiple alarms, repeat the previous step. If you do not wish to set any further alarms, select off. When the meter turns off, the device has been set.